Women here.
No, man.
You remember me?
Wrong way again, tell me.
And you remember me buy a lunch? And you don't know a big seed. You know you're Ginal.
Dinner, what do you like dinner?
Derrick. You know you're not easy. Eh?
Talk I'm not using with what.
why you got bring Jayden name go station when do you? Guys, you know send him some gift over there.
How you come to play the match? How you come to play the match? Tell me, why you come to play the match and you don't come? I tell me a kind of story. Eh?
See your cousin Mali over here. See Mali over here dead in laugh.
You just say no. You just say I'm for Adar. She give me $20. I don't know that carry $20 for the woman. She give me 20 for buy food. You saw them still? I don't know how we catch our man name got station. Eh? Yeah.
Where do it for?
I don't know our man name. You saw them still? Yeah, that's what I'm still. Yeah. She give me $20 and then she have a talk. Tell the whole world to give me $20. No, she have a talk. She have a talk to give me blood clot $20. I know blood clot give my clot $20. Look here, me come already. $20 she have talk about. 20 blood clot dollar. 20. Since she give me, she have talk about love.
Hey. Every week in a minute, hey, me not even know if it's say, Mali, me not laugh. Come for your uncle, Mali, come for your cousin. Me not laugh.
Me mute her blood clot. Me mute her. What her blood clot? I'm just mute her. Mix up them, you know. Mix up them. Me mute her. Tap up the scream, guy. Me mute her. Me tap up the blood clot, girl. She a mix up. She mix up no blood clot. She mix up. She a suck key. She a name of Jayden ball. She a suck. I want to suck with girl. Tap up the scream, guy, for this suck with girl. Tap up the scream, guy. Yeah. You mean afraid of she? Tap up the scream. I never beg her $20. I know she give me $20. I know, and I receive from Miss Denny. She want about the $20. But that's why you never take them from nigga people. You take them from bomber clan, nigga, blood clan. Take them from nigga, them a dark shit. Never take them from people. Never take them from people. I'm going to beg a village. I never beg you no $20 blood clan. I never beg her $20. Never beg her $20. You're crazy. Never can I beg $20. I mix up them, you know. Once you become mix. Me not play no mind. That me black her. Me mute her because she mix up. She mix up. Me mute her. She blood clan mix up. She mix up to come and she said we play match with her. So make a black her blood clot. Me black her blood clot. Me black her.
Me sure no way me say. In gold class me. Boy, you gonna bring Jayden name a station. Fucking out hard and right.
Bomber clad, big seed, move your blood clad. Yeah, you're not come lick up me, but dirty girl. Lick up at what dirty blood clad, big seed.
What's him, guys?
Yeah, dirty man, the man a bad team.
Make video now, say so Derrick want to come out the shop now. They took there, all the road people running me with stone and battery and mask run me with put me out there. Make out and send gift in the night and help me to find a nice in the morning.
not good enough. Me tell you them people not good enough. You look, me tell you they had come out the life, you know, and if I text her, actually I repeat what me said, the little dirty stinking girl, but I can suck wood. See her here? Look on her. See her there? The dirty girl, the one girl, that's she. She when you're big seed. She in big seed. I can fix her blood clot with me done. Big seed, I can fix her blood clot with me done, big seed. I just suck wood. Wait what me done. You're too hard, man.
I mean, like, you me keep it for me and sell it, you know.
You're too bright.
But if it's in there, I go sell. That is the idea. I mean, I want to see.
A skin her teeth. A skin her bumble clad teeth. Wait what me done, big seed. Wait what me done. Wait what me done, dirty girl. Wait. So good. You dark shit, yo. You dead hole, yo.
Boy, you go to the station, go tape life on Jayden, slime bucket. Don't tell a life on him. Dirty liar, man. You talk about after me send the man the $20 in a chat. I'm come them paper and yeah. See me send the man the $20 there, you know. I'ma send the man, hear him. Post me up now. Derrick, I cannot work. I cannot work. Watch me.